take a look at 4 examples for calculating the circumference of a circle. If you've watched my tutorial on how to calculate the circumference of a circle, you know we've talked about there's 2 formulas to calculate it. We can use 2 times pi times radius, or since diameter is 2 times the radius, you can simply multiply pi times diameter. We will assume for all the examples here that pi is equal to 3.14. Here you see the 4 examples. Work them out first and then check your answers against mine. Example 1. Find the circumference of a circle with a radius of 2 centimeters. Since we know the radius, let's use the formula of 2 times pi times the radius. We take 2 times 3.14 times 2 and we get 12.56 centimeters. Example 2. Find the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 14 meters. Since diameter is a known variable here, we can simply multiply 14 meters times 3.14, and we get a circumference of 43.96 meters. Example 3. Find the circumference of a circle with a radius of 3.5 meters. We multiply 2 times 3.14 times 3.5 and get a circumference of 21.98 meters. Last example. Find the circumference of a circle with a diameter of 2.3 centimeters. We take 2.3 and multiply it by 3.14 for a total of 7.222 centimeters. Now that was pretty quick and straightforward. If you feel like you need some more practice on finding the circumference of a circle or the area of a circle, head over to improvedmath.com and check out my pre-printable worksheets and answers. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any more math help videos. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.